You have a new database and no athletes. So assuming you want to add athletes, there are two ways to add athletes in Team Manager 8, and one of them will save you 2 hours of typing. The first method is the manual method, and to do that, you click on athletes, then you click on add. Under here, required fields for this athlete information, their last name, first name, date of birth, then gender. So last name, let me say John. First name, I say Matthews, or I say maybe John Doe, the usually default name. Then date of birth is started month, day. So this is how you write, and take note. So the first one is the month, you say 05. Then the day, maybe 23. So the year, you only write the last digits of the year. If it's 2014, you write 14. If it's 2025, you write 25. If it's 205, you write 05. You don't write the whole date of birth. So for this, let me write 2011, and I've written 11. Then the gender, let me say male. So for you, you can add more information if you need, father's name and everything. The most important other part is the team. You have to select a team he's swimming for. So you select sharks. Then you click OK. John has been added successfully. As you can see, he's our first athlete. That's the first method. The second method is by importing athletes you had exported in your previous database. Instead of typing, you import them automatically. So if you have that pen drive or you have stored on your desktop, this is how you do it. You go to File, Import Athlete Roster. Click on it. Then you go where you have stored the file. Here's my file. Then you click on it or double click. You select OK. Then double click on this file again. Then under here, if I had other athletes already in the database, I'll say update. But you can still choose it if you want. Then say OK. It will say 84 athletes important. Then you say OK. Then close. So if you come under athletes, you'll see so many athletes already populated. And if you have more than one team you're running, maybe a school team, then the club will be team 1 and the school team will be maybe team 2, as you prefer. As you can see, you have successfully loaded 80 athletes, and that's how you import athletes and add them manually to Team Manager 8.